Meg, it's been 6 years and 9 months since the water crisis began, and prosecutors in the case are calling it a complete failure of government at all levels. And today, 9 people were charged, including the ex-governor, or former governor, Rick Snyder.
This is one of the largest criminal investigations currently underway in the world.
Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy and Michigan Solicitor General Fadwa Hammoud announced that after 12 months of grand jury proceedings, 9 individuals have been indicted on a total of 42 counts related to a series of alleged actions and inactions that created the Flint water crisis.
The Flint water crisis is not some relic of the past.
Charges are as follows. Former Governor Rick Snyder charged with 2 counts of willful neglect of duty, each a 1-year misdemeanor or a $1,000 fine. Nick Lyon, former health director of the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. He's charged with 9 counts of involuntary manslaughter, each a 15-year felony, and 1 count of willful neglect of duty. And Eden Wells, former chief medical executive of the MDHHS, was also charged with 9 counts of involuntary manslaughter and 1 count of willful neglect of duty. Additionally, Wells is charged with 2 counts of misconduct in office, each a 5-year felony. Jared Egan, the former director of communications for Governor Rick Snyder, 1 count of perjury, a 15-year felony. Gerald Ambrose, former city of Flint emergency manager, he's charged with 4 counts of misconduct in office, each a 5-year felony. And Richard Baird, former senior advisor to Governor Snyder, 1 count of perjury, 15-year felony, 1 count of misconduct in office, a 5-year felony, 1 count of obstruction of justice, and 1 count of extortion, a 20-year felony. Howard Croft, the former director of the City of Flint Department of Public Works, 2 counts of willful neglect of duty. Darnell Early, former City of Flint emergency manager, he's charged with 3 counts of misconduct in office, each a 5-year felony. And finally, Nancy Peeler with MDHHS. She's charged with 2 counts of misconduct in office, a 5-year felony, and 1 count of willful neglect of duty. This is what Hammoud had to say about these 9 defendants and their alleged actions.
Who trampled upon their trust and evaded accountability for far too long.
All of the defendants have turned themselves in and were arraigned this morning. They have all bonded out.
Pure and simple, this case is about justice, truth, accountability.
And a lot of people were asking today if a manslaughter charge was ever on the table for the former governor. And when asked, Prosecutor Worthy said she couldn't comment on that aspect. And there are some court hearings scheduled for next week. In Flint, Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV 5.